Hey, another day. Quick install. Dinan air filter. I'm switching it out with this paperweight they got over here. So this is for the B58, G30, and come here. So right here, there are three places. You gotta take this off, you gotta take that off, and you gotta take these screws off, and you're able to wiggle this out right here. You do not have to remove the support bar. Listen to the critics. Right, first and foremost, let's start getting these screws out. Birds and the bees outside. This is a T25. So if you know you're working on European cars, you know their tools are different. No brainer. T25, a flathead, and you can use the flathead to take that off too. I'm pushing the clip, the gray clip that's on it. Two down, two more to go. Hurry up. Alright, so to get to this screw here, you want to disconnect this so this is easier to access. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Put this over to the side. I don't want to bend it too much. Careful with these lower screws, so they're easy to fall out. Come on. You know, with this joint, you lose something down here, you might not find it till next week. Whew. Okay, two more down, two more to go. Be tough at the bottom. Be very careful when you're taking these out. Careful with this one. You might want to use two hands to hold it while you're unscrewing it, so it don't fall and mess up your damn day. So now these are out. Let's get this out right here. Okay. Let's see something. Big list. Here we go. Okay. So this air filter right here is made out of paper. This is basically paper right here. And it kind of restricts the airflow. So bugs in here. Ugh. Get that shit out of here. Alright, there ain't much in here to vacuum out. I vacuumed it out before. This is pretty new. I had replaced this, but you know, they said this is paper, restricts airflow. So I want a little bit better airflow. This is a turbo car. This is the Dinan right here. See how thinner the air filter is compared to this one. Okay, let's wrap this in. Make sure it's seated properly. And then we're gonna put everything back together. Slide this in here. The way. Okay, cool. Make sure everything is nice and snug. And reverse process. Feel underneath, make sure this is sitting flush on this right here. I'm trying to do this in a quick, fast hurry. See, how she screws by hand. Start off screwing the joints in by hand and tighten down. This one. Right here. This one here, you gotta be careful with because you don't want this fucking screw to fall over here. Make sure it's steady so it don't lose this joint. tighten them all the way yet. I'm just trying to lock them in first. Tighten because it is plastic. These things are plastic. Easily strip this joint. Strip the threads on it. So, firm but not over tight. It's easy though. Quick little upgrade, and then I got to do the firmware updates on there. Tune the software. Everything is tight. Loose. That's tight. That's tight. 3, 4, 6. Push this clip back in. This clip that goes into your map sensor. Make sure that's in there. And voila. Done. So, let me try this out. Alright, so the intake install is done.